Number 1. B&BUN 3-piece bamboo cutting board set, durable wooden cutting boards with juice grooves and handles. 3 sizes for all kitchen tasks, natural eco-friendly bamboo juice groove to prevent spills. Easy grip handles, a durable, knife-friendly surface. The B&BUN 3-set bamboo cutting boards offer durability, convenience, and natural style for everyday cooking. Made from premium bamboo, each board includes a juice groove and easy grip handle, perfect for slicing meats, veggies, or serving snacks. A versatile, eco-friendly addition to any modern kitchen. Number 2. Cocoon Meat Tenderizer Tool Stainless steel dual-sided tenderizing hammer. Dual-sided head, flat and textured. Heavy-duty stainless steel, comfortable non-slip handle, easy to clean and rust-resistant. The Cocoon Meat Tenderizer tool delivers powerful tenderizing with its dual-sided stainless steel design, making meat softer and easier to cook. Durable, ergonomic and perfect for steak, chicken and pork. Number 3. Stirlex Premium Batter Dispenser No Drip Pancake and Cupcake Pouring Tool. No drip spout, easy grip handle. Large capacity, ideal for pancakes, waffles and cupcakes. The Stirlex Premium Batter Dispenser delivers clean, precise pouring for pancakes, waffles and cupcakes with its no drip design and comfortable handle. Easy to use and easy to clean. Number 4. LNNIW Waterproof Food Warming Mat Adjustable Temperature Heating Pad for dishes, buffets and meals. Waterproof, easy clean surface, adjustable temperature settings, even consistent heat distribution, safe, energy efficient design, perfect for buffets, family meals and parties. The LNNIW Food Warming Mat keeps dishes warm with adjustable even heat and a waterproof, easy clean design, perfect for family meals and parties. Number 5. Secura French Press Coffee Maker Stainless Steel Double Wall Insulated Coffee Press with 3-layer filter. Double wall insulated stainless steel 3-layer filter for rich, smooth coffee. Cool touch handle and knob, durable, rust-resistant design. Dishwasher safe. The Secura French Press Coffee Maker delivers bold, full-flavored coffee with its double wall insulated design and 3-layer stainless steel filter. Built to last, it stays hot longer, offers a cool touch grip and is easy to clean, perfect for home or office brewing. Number 6. Kiaki Vegetable Chopper 12-in-1 Multi-Blade Manual Food Chopper and Slicer, multiple interchangeable blades. Chops, slices, dices and shreds. BPA-free food container, easy to clean and assemble. The Kiaki Vegetable Chopper simplifies meal prep with multiple blades for slicing, dicing and shredding. Its BPA-free container keeps your counter clean, while the compact, easy clean design makes it perfect for everyday kitchen use. Number 7. Farberware 22-piece Knife Block Set Stainless Steel Kitchen Knives with Wooden Block. 22-piece set with knife block. High-quality stainless steel blades, ergonomic, comfortable handles, include chef utility pairing, and steak knives. Durable wooden storage block. The Farberware 22-piece Knife Block Set offers everything you need for daily kitchen tasks. With sharp stainless steel blades, comfortable handles and a sturdy wooden block, this set keeps your knives organized, accessible and ready for slicing, chopping and dicing. Number 8. Boxiki Silicone Bread Loaf Pan Non-Stick Flexible Baking Mold for bread, cake and loaf. Flexible non-stick silicone. Heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to remove. Baked goods. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, perfect for bread, cakes and loaf recipes. The Boxiki Silicone Bread Loaf Pan makes baking easy and mess-free. Its flexible, non-stick design allows you to remove bread, cakes or loaves effortlessly. Heat resistant, dishwasher safe and durable. It's ideal for all your baking needs. Number 9. Moose Wooden Kitchen Utensil Set 6-piece bamboo cooking tools with holder. 6-piece set, spatula, spoon, slotted spoon and more, made from eco-friendly bamboo, heat-resistant and durable, smooth, splinter-free finish, includes convenient storage holder. The Moose Wooden Kitchen Utensil Set includes 6 essential bamboo tools for cooking and serving. Durable, heat-resistant and eco-friendly, these utensils are gentle on cookware and come with a handy holder to keep your kitchen organized. Number 10. Farberware Nylon Meat and Potato Masher Sturdy Non-Stick Kitchen Masher for potatoes and vegetables. A durable nylon construction, non-stick and gentle on cookware, ergonomic, comfortable handle, ideal for potatoes, vegetables and soft meats, easy to clean. The Farberware Nylon Meat and Potato Masher makes mashing simple and efficient. Its sturdy nylon head is gentle on non-stick cookware, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use. Perfect for potatoes, vegetables and other soft foods. Number 11. Kiaki Rotary Ice Shaver Manual Snow Cone and Ice Crusher Machine for shaved ice desserts. Manual rotary operation, sharp stainless steel blades, easy to use and clean, stable non-slip base, perfect for snow cones, slushies and shaved ice treats. The Kiaki Rotary Ice Shaver creates perfect shaved ice for snow cones, slushies, and desserts. Its sharp stainless steel blades and stable design make it easy to use, while cleaning is quick and hassle-free, great for summer fun or parties. Number 12. Sutman 21-piece porcelain teapot party set. Elegant tea set for entertaining and gifts. 21-piece porcelain tea set. Includes teapot, cups, saucers and accessories. Elegant design for parties and gatherings. Durable, heat-resistant porcelain. Perfect for entertaining or gifting. The Sutman 21-piece porcelain teapot party set offers a complete elegant tea experience. Ideal for parties, gatherings or as a gift. This durable porcelain set includes a teapot, cups, saucers and accessories for stylish and convenient serving. Number 13. Globobo Heavy Duty Meat Cleaver Stainless Steel Kitchen Chopping Knife for Meat and Bones. Heavy Duty Stainless Steel Blade, sharp edge for meat, bones and vegetables. Ergonomic, non-slip handle, durable and rust resistant. Perfect for home or professional kitchens. The Globobo Heavy Duty Meat Cleaver makes chopping meat, bones and vegetables effortless. Its sharp stainless steel blade and ergonomic handle provide precision, safety and durability for everyday kitchen or professional use. Number 14. Nedson 6-pack food pan with lid. Durable stainless steel kitchen storage containers. 6 durable stainless steel pans. Includes matching lids for secure storage. Oven, freezer and dishwasher safe. Ideal for meal prep, serving or storing leftovers. Rust resistant and long lasting. The Nedson 6-pack food pan with lid is perfect for storing, serving and meal prepping. Made from durable stainless steel with secure lids, these versatile pans are oven, freezer and dishwasher safe for convenient everyday use. Number 15. Boxiki Kitchen Silicone Muffin Pan Non-stick flexible baking mold for cupcakes and muffins. A flexible non-stick silicone. Heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to release baked goods. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Perfect for muffins, cupcakes and mini cakes. The Boxiki Kitchen Silicone Muffin Pan makes baking muffins and cupcakes easy and mess-free. Its flexible non-stick design ensures effortless release, while heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe construction adds convenience and durability for everyday use. Number 16. Utcoach 4-in-1 Colander with bowl set. Multi-purpose strainer and mixing bowls for kitchen. 4-in-1 versatile kitchen set. Includes colander and mixing bowls. Durable BPA-free materials. Stackable design for easy storage. Ideal for washing, draining, and mixing. The Utcoach 4-in-1 Colander with bowl set combines functionality and convenience for everyday kitchen tasks. Use it for washing, draining and mixing ingredients with durable stackable bowls designed to save space and simplify cooking. Number 17. On-and stand mixer 6-speed electric kitchen mixer with stainless steel bowl. 6 adjustable speed settings. Includes stainless steel mixing bowl, powerful motor for dough batter and more. Comes with whisk dough hook and beater attachments. Tea-stable non-slip base for safe mixing. The on and stand mixer makes baking effortless with 6 speeds and versatile attachments for whipping, kneading and mixing. Its stainless steel bowl and stable design provide durability and convenience for everyday kitchen use. Number 18. Digest glass pitcher set. 3-piece beverage pitchers with lids for water, juice and iced tea. Includes 3 glass pitchers with matching lids. Durable clear glass design perfect for water, juice, iced tea and cocktails. Easy to pour and serve. Dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning. The Digest glass pitcher set is ideal for serving beverages at home or parties. Made from durable glass with convenient lids, these pitchers make pouring easy and add elegance to your table. Dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. Number 19. Yaramate Oil Dispenser with brush glass bottle for cooking oil, vinegar and marinades. Includes silicone basting brush for easy application. Clear glass bottle for precise pouring, leak-proof and easy to refill. Ideal for oils, vinegar, sauces and marinades. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The Yaramate Oil Dispenser with brush makes cooking and basting effortless. Its glass bottle ensures precise pouring, while the included brush allows easy application of oil or sauces. Perfect for the kitchen, barbecue or baking. Number 20. Durham Electric Cheese Grater Automatic Shredder for cheese, nuts and vegetables. Electric automatic operation for effortless grating. Sharp stainless steel blades suitable for cheese, nuts, chocolate and vegetables. Easy to use and clean. Compact and durable design. The Durham Electric Cheese Grater makes grating fast and easy. Its sharp stainless steel blades handle cheese, nuts and vegetables with ease, while the compact, durable design simplifies storage and cleanup. Perfect for everyday kitchen use.